Welcome back to Schoolhouse 7. This is Summer Slide Week. Welcome to Summer Slide Day 2. Today we're going to focus all on science. So let's get started by reviewing what exactly the summer slide is. This means that if you don't do any work in the core subjects over the summer, then when you get back to school, you're going to be behind everyone else who's working. So don't slide down. Let's do some things to stay up. Good news, because 95% and 90% of teachers and parents agree that this equals more success in the classroom, and 80% of students agree that summer learning improves ability, motivation, and attendance. So what can we do over the summer that's really fun and cool? My daughter and I love birds. We sit out back and watch for them many days during the summer. These are all the types that fly around. So what we've done is we've taken some popsicle sticks, a couple dowels, hot glue, and a string, and we made a bird feeder. We're going to fill that with bird seed, and we're going to watch for the birds of Western New York using our bird chart. Okay, cool. Next, we also have maple trees in our backyard, and we always have these falling to the ground, so we created an identification chart to see when these fall, whether or not it's a Norway maple, a silver maple, red maple, or sugar maple. We have a lot of these out there, so most of them were from there. But you can also plant these, and that's another project for the summer. Planting and seeding and watching things grow. There it is right there. Now we have a baby maple tree growing from this that just fell to the ground. We also have parsley and basil. We're going to watch these grow. We've planted them as seeds, and we continue to watch them get bigger every day. So really cool planting. Also with planting, we found one of these baby maple trees outside. We pulled it up, and now we can learn all about the parts of a plant, like the seed, leaves, and more basic things. Over here to primary roots and root caps and root hairs. Okay, really, really cool. Lastly, my favorite, did you know that you can go fossil hunting in some really cool places like the Lake Erie shoreline, Allegheny State Park, and Hunters Creek? That's right, we do it all the time. We put together a cool little kit with some gloves. We have a hammer, a chisel, and an identification chart. And here is a really cool horn coral fossil. It's right there that we found at Hunters Creek. So they're out there waiting for you to find. So get out there this summer, do some really cool science, keep reading, keep writing, but most importantly, stay safe.